welcome to the Shelley Studio. Today I am working on my scavenger hunt journal. This is a challenge put on by Janet M. Young. I'll have a link to her channel in the description box below. If you want to do it, you can find her list in her community page. I think that's where I found it. Anyway, today it's the letter L. And I'm not sure what day this is going to air, but hey, maybe it'll be close to Valentine's. I figured L stood for love. And this page was already pink, so that helped. Just happened to happen. And yeah, since it was pink, I decided to use a white, I think it's white, to stencil the hearts. Because you gotta have hearts with love, right? This is a really old stencil I had, and yeah, I thought it would work to put some different sizes on there. And it is a little hard to see, but I come back later and enhance that so you can see it, see the outline. I don't ever cover up the blue that was under there. These papers are, one side has a gel print pattern and the other side I just printed color, random messy color. So that's what this pink is the other side of the stenciled page. All right, so I'm going to put the words love, life, and okay, the whole plan was to do one big L. And so I'm tracing along, doing this, and I think I get carried away and trace the L's too. But I do have this sped way up just to make it not so tedious, especially the tracing part. So here I go. It looks like I remembered to stop on the top word and forgot to stop on the bottom word. But luckily, it's acrylic paint and the ink is still a little fresh. Yeah, not so luckily. Anyway, I tried to wipe it off. Good permanent marker there. But I just pull out some random pink and we'll just cover it up. It'll be fine. The rest of this needs darkening anyway, right? And it helps cover up some of that blue. And might as well get my white edges while I'm at it. It's kind of what I've been doing on all these pages that have white borders. I've been adding some color around just to cover up the white on the edges. All right, Margelle, you can stop with the finger painting now. Come on, move on. Anyway, so I paint in the words so it'll be nice and bold. I'm adding some kind of a mixture of pinks. I don't want it to blend into what's already there. And I couldn't tell you what pinks I used, some darker ones. I just grabbed a bunch of pink, put it together. It's kind of got a little bit of a bluish cast maybe, huh? So how is everyone today? I hope you're all doing well. The day I'm doing this voiceover, it's been raining all day long, nonstop. Yeah, the news, I mean, I'm not in California. California is getting more rain than us. We're just getting residual. They call it the Pineapple Express. I think I've heard that term before, but I thought that was kind of unusual. It's like an atmospheric river or whatever. Means there's a lot of water in the air, in the sky. They say we'll have rain like this for about a week. That's unusual for us to have rain that long. We'll see if it actually lasts that long. It's just started today, so. So how's the weather in your area? I'm curious. Where are you watching this from? If you're here watching, let me know. I'd be fun to find out. I'm in Utah. In case you were wondering, in the States, in Utah. Oh yeah, I sketched in this big long L. I didn't erase the line in the middle, but I figured if I put enough coats of paint on it, it might cover it up. That's how I work, man. I'm lazy that way. Yeah, here I go with another coat just to cover up that line. One of those paints must have been a little bit of chalky because it just has that kind of consistency. All right, so I'm going around my hearts, trying to get them to stand out a little bit. Just using, I think this one is my favorite white pen. I ran out, so I had to order another one. Hasn't come yet. But I've been using it every day on this project. I'll try to remember to put ingredients in the description box below. Anything that I can, that I remember I used or figure out what I used, I'll put it down there. Not too many on this one, I think. So I'm just going around and accenting my lines. Trying to make the letters look a little ribbon-like, just for the heck of it. I've had this stencil, this Love Life stencil, for a long time. I might have the brand name and stuff. I will also put that down below too, if I have it. All right, so I'm going to put some detail in the thick part of the L. If you've seen any of my other videos, you recognize that. I've done that to quite a few of the letters. And I think, oh yep, see, I fill it full of hearts. But I'm making them go all different directions. Put a few little teeny ones in there. Oh, and I filled it in with white, not using my white pen actually. So, all right, so I've got a little bit of, I guess it's a neon pink. It's a Golden's High Flow. And I thought maybe I would just add that around the heart shapes to get them to stand out a little bit more. And something you don't see me do is I have a Wink Stella brush in the clear, and I added the Wink Stella, and I don't know that you can see. You might be able to see in the photos at the end. I'm not sure, but it just gives those hearts a little bit of a sparkle. It was just kind of an afterthought. That's why it wasn't on film. I had it sitting open, and I'm like, oh, let's just throw some of that on there. Give it a little sparkle. It is kind of a fluid paint. I'm dabbing it every once in a while because I don't want like puddles or have it get in the place I don't want it to be. So there we go. Love life. The letter L. Now my other one, the M was already made. This is my word of the year for this year. I didn't do one for 2023. I didn't realize that. So, anyways, the word is move. So you like my little stick figures doing their exercises? I thought that was kind of fun. Yeah, so basically this particular page is really quick because all it is me gluing the M down. And being distracted by something, I have no idea what. Probably a show on TV. Yes, I do listen to TV. I can't say I watch, but I do listen to TV while I'm creating. A lot of the times while I'm creating, there is stuff going on in the background. Imagine what I could do if I was 100% focused. Anyways, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Love to find out where you're all watching from. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day.